Welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we are going to be discussed about the packages in Java. Packages are used in Java in order to prevent the naming conflicts to control the access, to make searching location and usage of classes interface enumerations and annotations easier. A package can be defined as a grouping of related types which are classes, interface, and enumerations and annotations, providing access protections and namespace management. The purpose of the package is the concept is to provide the common classes and interfaces of any program separately. In other words, we want to develop any class or interface which is common for most of the Java programs. Then such common classes and interfaces must be placed in a package. Like here you can see I just create a package name. So this is our package, which is an abstraction. So here I just create a class which is circle, or I just write here we have the two same classes with the name A and A. So that's why we just use the package here. Here we have a diagram of the package. So you can see a simple example like our package name is a Java. Then we have the sub packages of the Java like the library for the scanner, lang, and the GUI like AWT. You can see we have the map class with util, then language class with the system class and the string class, and then the GUI which is the button classes. So that's why I just create the package of the Java, then sub packages, and then different categories of GUI, scanner class, and lang class. The package in Java are the way to organize the files. When a project has many modules, some like we organized our file in computer. For example, we store all the movies in one folder and song in another folders. Here also we store same name of the file in the particular package of the particular package. For example, in AWT package have all classes and interface for design GUI components. You can see we have util and lang, then SQL AWT package here in Java, and then computer we have the movies, songs, ebooks, software, which are the folders. What are the advantages of the package? Package is used to create the classes in an interface so that they can be used easily and maintained. Application development time is less. You can see application development time is less because reuse of code. We just use many time of codes here in these packages. You can see now application execute time is less. If I just create a many classes in one package, you can see so we have the execution time is much higher than these two classes. Redundancy or repetition of code is minimized here. Application's performance is enhanced, improve. Package provide access protections and the package removes naming collision. There are two types of packages which are packages are predefined or built-in package and user-defined package. So what are the predefined or built-in packages? These packages are which are already designed by Sun microsystem and apply as a part of Java API. Every predefined package is collection of predefined class, interface, and sub packages. What are the user defined packages? The user defined packages are if any package is designed by the user is known as user design package. User defined design package are those which are developed by Java programmers and apply as a part of their project to deal with the common requirements. So these all are the user defined package, and this is a default package which is a built-in. So here's the some rule to create the user defined packages. Package statement should be the first statement of any package program. Choose an appropriate class name or an interface name, and those modifiers must be public. Any package program can contains only one public class or only one public interface, but it can contain any numbers of normal classes. Package program should not contain many classes. That means it should not contain any main method. Modifier of a constructor of the class which is present in the package must be public. Means this is not applicable in the case of interface because interface have no constructors. The modifier of the method of a class or interface which is present in package must be public. Means this rule is optional in case of interface because interface method by default public. Every package program should be saved either the with public class name or a public interface name. Like here we have sum.java program class and save the package program with public class name. Then package my package name, which is the first statement of the Java program, is package. Then public class sum and class modifier must be public here. Then public sum and constructor modifier must be public in these case too. Then system.out.println, which is some class constructor. And then when we use the void method, so modifier must be public. And then system.out.println. The compile package programs. So for compilation of the package program, first we solve the program with public class name.java, and then it will compile this syntax like Java C minus D class name and then Java, or a syntax of the path like Java C and then path class name dot Java. So in this syntax, minus D is a specific tool which is to tell the Java compiler create a separate folder for the given package in the given path. When we give a specific path, then it create a new folder at that location, and when we use dot, then it create a folder that current work directory. Note that any package program can be compiled but cannot be executed or run. These programs can be executed through user-defined programs, which are importing the packages program. Here, I just create example of this package, and then in the source, I just create a package which is the name of my package. Okay, here I just create a class which is the name of a.java. Here you can see my package and my package. Then the public class a, and here I just create a method which is public void and show, and then system.out.println, and the print line here is some method, and then I just create a new class with the name of hello, and then I just write public and class hello. So in the public class hello, I just write public static void main and then string arguments, and here I just write a which is equal to a and object of a which is equal to new and a, then a dot show, and at the last system dot out dot println, and here I just write show, and show is class a. So here remember that here I just import a library which is my package dot a. You can see here, and then I just run this code. So some method and then show and the class show. So in this example, the first we create the package program which is saved with a.java and compiled by java c-d.a.java. And then again we import the class A in the hello using the import my package.a statement. So here I just add some more information about the package. So different between the package and inheritance are inheritance concept always used to reuse the feature within the program between the class to class and interface to interface and interface to class, but not accessing the feature across the program. The package concept is to reuse the feature both within the program and across the program between class to class and interface to class. And different between the package keyword and the import keyword. So package keyword is always used to creating the undefined package and placing common classes and interface. And import is a keyword which is used for referring or using the class and interface of a specific package. So this is some information about the packages in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.